Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point, the mid-ranger that almost everyone has eyes on is the much-awaited Google Pixel 7a. Though Google hasn't said any words so far, but the handset is most likely will make its debut on the 10th of May at Google I/O event. However, once again they showed how bad they are at keeping their upcoming devices secret. That we already know the key specs and complete design of the handset. And even a couple of months ago, a live hands-on video got leaked giving us a good tour of the device. The upcoming Google Pixel 7a will get a huge bump in the camera department from 12.2 to 64 megapixel primary sensor, while we will also see the latest Tensor G2 chip in action. However, what will make it even better, and that is for the first time, we will get a 90Hz display panel on a Pixel A series handset. Probably the only thing that we missed a lot on the last year's Pixel 6a. Now, I recently uncovered some more details, and according to that, the Google Pixel 7a will come with 256GB of storage, which is double the storage of its predecessor. So possibly along with the 128GB of storage, the Pixel A series phones might finally include a variant with more storage. And you will agree with me, it's the need of the modern phones. Next, the same site that shared some key information on the handset in the past now revealed that the Pixel 7a will come in 3 color options, namely Arctic Blue, Carbon and Cotton. However, a leaker even claims that the Pixel 7a will not come in just 3 or 4, but 5 colors. And that's a huge color range. However, I think it is unlikely that Google will go for such a wider range of colors. Anyway, for me, the blue color is looking cool. Let me know which one do you like in the comment section below. Though bear in mind, the real life look will be slightly different than the colors showing in these renders. So we are not far away from the flagship-like mid-ranger, the Google Pixel 7a. Of course, I will keep you informed with the latest information on Pixel 7a, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.